I had to tell myself how I got here. Just like every story, it started with a girl. Anyone who's walked in darkness knows there's no point in making promises.
Thank you.
You've been here a while. You want me to Irish this up a bit for you?
No, thank you. I don't drink.
Life is too full of uncertainty. Only a fool makes promises and actually believes he can keep them.
Esther, where have you been? I've been looking for you. Esther, if you're in trouble, you need to tell me. It's my job. We can make you safe.
It's my son, Jaden. I don't want this life for him. I am doing this for him. They're meeting tomorrow, this location. From what I understand, it comes in with a fish and they take you to this warehouse. No matter what happens, just promise me Jaden will be safe. If something happens to me, you'll be watching over him.
Nothing will happen to you.
Promise me.
I promise.
You're the best, Ross.
Life has a plan for all of us, even if we don't agree. Thunder. The lightning follows closely after. The heavens weep like I weep.
The information Esther gave us was good. Little did we know, Esther wasn't safe.
Officer Yates and I went to investigate the scene. We were walking into an ambush.
Sadly, another tragic event has rocked the local community as a search for Sue Min Kim, known to her friends as Esther Martin, who was reported missing by her 13-year-old son, has come to an end with the discovery of Esther Martin's body earlier this morning.
The problem with a promise is you can have every intention of keeping it. But on your way, a truck runs a red light and leaves you dead on the sidewalk. Yeah? Okay. Okay. I'll get him. I'll get ready. Shit.
Reach the voicemail box of Jaden Martin.
Jaden, little shit.
Yeah?
Jaden,
What? What do you mean?
I just talked to your grandpa, and he said to pick you up from football practice.
Something came up. Is that Claire?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, Claire.
Yeah, and the deal was, you were supposed to go straight to the shop after school. Look, I'm on my way, okay? Just send me your location and stay put. If you do, I won't tell Mr. Kim about the vape. Deal?
Deal.
Good.
Did I get you in trouble?
Be gone before I come back.
I don't do sleepovers.
Tell Jaden thanks for this.
Yeah?
So he messed up a little bit.
Don't forget to lock up after Gus treatment.
Russell, am I only here because I'm your cat's vet? I mean, if it weren't for Gus, would you even have me over? I know you've never let Jaden come by.
I don't like people in my space, and don't forget, Gus has a camera on his collar.
Bye.
Gus. Come here. You won't tell on me. Will you, Gus? Yeah. You like me more than that grumpy Russell Hatch. Don't you, Gus? Yeah.
Extended stay motels, the type of place a person lives if they fail on hard times or give up on life. I'm somewhere in between. LA is a city of lost people, all in a hurry to go nowhere. Everyone comes here to find themselves. But if they came here, just like me, they're already lost.
Hey, kid! In the car!
Oh, shit, my driver's here.
What the fuck is this?
What?
You're skipping school and your grades are going down.
I was just with a friend.
You know what? You need to make better friends, okay?
Why do you care? You're just my driver, okay? Don't worry, I won't off myself like my mom.
Jaden, it was not easy for you. I get it. But all she wanted for you was for you to have your own life.
So you're gonna tell me then?
Come on, don't start this.
No. Go on. Tell me, I mean, that's why you're here, right? It's like witness protection, no?
Jaden, not today. Not again.
Yeah. Didn't think so.
Hey, if I'm just your driver, next time, sit in the back, okay? Great kid, Esther. Great kid. Mr. Kim? Hello?
He's in the back.
Okay. Sorry to disturb you. Looks like you're working hard.
Go fuck yourself. I work hard. You're an alcoholic. It's been crazy around here. Yeah, motherfuckers rob anybody these days.
That's why I keep cameras in my place. Which reminds me, by the way. Yeah, clear.
이놈의 새끼들 안 돼.
아 내가 너 하지 말았잖아. 너 왜 말 안 돼? 아유 일체적 이놈의 새끼. 요또 말을 안 되네.
죽여대요.
내가 하지 말을 똑같은 일하고 있는 이놈의 새끼. 아유 참나 양.
Last time I saw this guy, he didn't have a scar on his left eye. But that was many years ago. Scars are life's tattoo of our mistakes. The neighborhood is getting rough.
Russell, just a minute. 아 나가 이 새끼야. 나가 빨리 나가.
Kim?
Hi, Russell. I didn't know you're coming.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, yes, of course. He's my son. Few cut short, real pain in the ass.
Jaden is home.
Thank you. Who else will watch that boy? My family, they never liked his father. Shame. They can never forgive my Sumi. Oh, Esther to you, I suppose. You're a real friend, Mr. Hatch. Not many like you left these days.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Why don't you take off? Make sure you get this box of donations over to the church before they lock up. Bo can help me clean up my son's mess.
Okay, Mr. Kim.
Ellie, Keaton, night cold and dark. The Santana winds are picking up, spreading through the city like a plague. I can hear the whistle of the wind as I press the bottle of whiskey to my head and pull the trigger. Another night where you can lose yourself at any moment, and if you're not careful when you're lost, you don't know how you'll be found.
You want another?
Yeah, just leave the bottle, please.
Rough night tonight?
The bottle, please.
All right.
You're a hard man to track down. Yeah, and I plan to keep it that way.
You are one stubborn motherfucker, you know that? Seeing as you're still here, and we both fucking know you should be in Europe, I think you should do me a little favor.
I'm not in a favor business.
Come on, man. It's also against protocol to fucking informant. But I ain't make a peep about that.
Don't talk about this like that.
Look, all right, my bad, all right? We need you. All right, I wouldn't even be here asking you this if I didn't.
Fuck off.
Look, man, just hear me out, all right? Remember that shit, Flocka? That fucked up bath salt hybrid that we got rid of in 2015?
The zombie drugs?
Yeah, they eat your face off drug. I mean, we thought we saw the last of it until it popped up here last year.
Like I said, it's none of my business anymore. I'm out of it.
Yeah. Last time things went badly. But we still don't know who's in charge of the Korean mob or who put the hit out on Esther. Don't you want justice? For her?
Good night, yet.
Come on. If you know something, tell me, Hatch.
Flokov.
All right, all right. I guess I'll just find Esther's killer all by myself, huh?
Fuck off, Yates.
I don't have to. You know you'll be back. You can't stay away. It's who you are. It's in your nature. It's who you are.
Esther, the walls are closing in. They've been keeping tabs on me. I knew it was only a matter of time before they tried to pull me back in.
What the fuck? It's my car.
Hey, man, we were just leaving.
Ass! What, suka? Go where? Around home, huh? Fucking women's. Know who I am? You know this symbol? Huh? The Brigada boys. Paranis Brigade, huh? Suka.
fuck?
씨발. 나가!
예, 선생님.
미친놈. 아니, 왜 자꾸 그 인트포 새끼로 개처럼 뛰고 다니지 몰라겠어. 차라리 DEA랑 회식이나 하지. 정신이 나갔어. 늙은 꼰대.
Spends time with that kid too. Just fucking around.
야, 다쳐. 무식한 새끼야. My nephew.
But you have to get rid of Hatch and your father. This place is crawling with Russians. If we give any more ground, we might as well call this part of town Little Moscow.
니는 아버지는 남자 또 아니야.
My father's become a weak man. He still thinks things are like before. Before Miami. That we can all get along. Still doesn't want to believe Suman's fuck up had anything to do with this mess. 꼰대가 정신을 차려야 해.
You were supposed to be there for the kid. Not me. What the fuck?
One second.
Hey man, what's up? What's going on, man?
Listen, I hate to be that guy, but I've got a fucking massive headache. Right? And your music is really too fucking loud.
I'm really sorry, man. I didn't even know you were at home, brother. My bad.
Yo! Who's there? Yeah, is that the pizza? Fuck, the guy looks like a cop. I don't fucking leave.
Could you turn it down?
Yeah, sure. Hey, can you guys cut that shit out? Please turn it off. I don't know what you're up to tomorrow, but I got some plush, dank plush berry. I got, we got some nice ladies. I'm at a Bible study. You want to come in?
Just keep it quiet.
All right. But hey, if you need anything for those headaches, I could get you something. I'm your guy. I'm just saying. All right, much love, man. Have a good night. Yeah. come out now. He's not a cop. Rack him up, please.
Yeah. Seriously? Whoa! Sorry. Motherfucker.
Can you believe that they posted that? Oh. I mean, she should put on some clothes. Ugh. I'll be right back. You know, you can't smoke here. School property and all. Smoke.
Oh, sorry.
Who are you here for?
Jaden Kim.
Jaden. I always thought his dad was,
Dead.
Asian.
His mother was Korean.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not his father. I'm his guardian.
His guardian. I'm Vivian.
Russell Hatch.
It's nice to see you here. I mean, you know, for Jaden, it's nice to see somebody show up for him.
It's my job.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go.
Hey, Jaden. All right, bye, Russell Hatch.
Hi. Yep.
Bye, Jaden.
Hate to do this, but the kid may know something.
You know, I was thinking, your uncle got a scar on his face, near his eye.
Daehyun?
Seems like your grandpa and he don't get along very well.
Just family shit. I stay out of it. It's my mom's brother anyway.
And where's the rest of your family?
I don't know. Miami, back in Korea, I don't give a shit. I mean, none of them gave a single flying fuck to go to my mom's funeral, so I don't really care.
Hey, Jaden. You don't have to sit in the back next time.
Well, you told me to.
Yeah.
What's up, little bro? 가자.
Ah, Mr. Hatch. Good, you are here. I have another box of donations for you to take down to the church. Would you mind?
No problem.
Thank you. You've been such a help since my bag is in the best shape.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. I'm gonna close up.
Good evening, my friend.
We are closed. Please leave.
Shut the fuck up, older man. Give cash.
Oh, please, we have no money.
You know exactly why we are here.
I don't know.
Lazar sends his regards. You need to start paying.
Давай, я сумасшедший, сука, блядь!
Hey, pick yours up.
Sorry, my bad. Perhaps I did not make myself clear to you.
Hey, take it easy. Calm down.
You want us to calm down and take it easy, huh?
No.
Fuck you! Whoa.
Got to play stupid to be smart.
Back the fuck out, old man.
Wait for my chance.
Just want a lighter.
Russell, they will be leaving soon.
Shut the fuck up.
I said back the fuck out!
Fuck! Drop it.
Swalledge.
I need you to do something for me. I need you to prove you're not weak, like your druggy mother. It's simple. Just go around the corner, grab some stuff. I'll be right here.
I don't know who lives there. What if there's someone inside and I get caught?
You don't got anything to worry about, because you got me. Be strong. 쫄려오지 마. 형 믿어. You're my family, okay? I'm gonna teach you what that's all about. 빨리 가.
Yes, officer. Thank you very much. The ambulance is on its way. Thank you, Russell.
Where was Bo?
Oh, his car was broken into the other night. He had to go to the shop to get the window fixed.
They knew Bo wasn't here. They broke into his car. It was a setup. I'll stick around and give a statement.
Oh, no, Mr. Hatch. It would just be more trouble for you, not necessary.
You sure?
Please, this is Koreatown. The police will take their sweet time. No one cares what happens in this part of town. You know that already.
Okay. Be careful.
Kill him! Ah, fuck you, old man. Ah.
Where there's smoke, there is fire.
We go down back. We'll look for Victor.
Something is off. This guy's speaking Russian and got here too quick. He must be on somebody's payroll. Need to keep this quiet. Don't want to alert their friends.
Is this place?
Da. Victor and Anton told us to meet here if things go wrong.
Hey, guys.
I'm sorry, sir. You can't come back here. Okay. It's a prohibit.
Couple of painkillers and a stiff drink, and they'll be fine in the morning.
It's not what it looks like. Come on!
씹새끼 죽여!
야, 빨리 싸워. 병신.
Go!
It's up. Hey, you just knocked out some cops behind my father's store. Let's go somewhere and talk about this. Huh?
En el camino formando veredas, soltando fantasmas.
What's up, my man? Can I get 2 asada tacos, some nachos, and throw me a quesadilla there?
Sus pasos, recuerdo sus rostros llorando sus penas. En el camino no tengo reposo.
I want a burrito, put it loaded. Bye.
I guess I'm just a black sheep of the family. But my father knows what I'm good at. That's why I got a call. You think you know my family? You think you're a part of my family? Just because my whore sister let some wegu can que stick it in her? You really don't know shit about shit, do you? We were never working with Lazar.
Lazar is in LA.
You fucking kid. Yeah. And he's expanding. Restaurants, bars, cafes. Even the cops you ran into. Anyone who refuses to sell disappears.
So the Russian mafia sends 2 kids to scare your father out of business.
They've been on his neck for months. Lazar was trying to convince him to cut a deal. Leave with his life. We've had that business for years. Grew up in that store. Doing my homework out back.
These guys don't show up guns blazing to push over an old man selling bubble gums and cigarettes.
It's more than just that store. My family operates all the best parts of this city. And for years, nobody noticed. Now, property value has been going up an average of 7% each month since last year. 31% since April. Why? Because we turned this shit around. Made this shit nice. My family spent decades building this place into what it is. So you really think we're just gonna roll over and sell to a bunch of Russian fucks?
Fuck no.
Fuck no. That's right.
I need to know everything about their businesses. Who they are, where they are. And I can make our little problem disappear.
작은 문제, 미친 새끼.
First, you should check out his nightclubs and warehouses. If we could have rolled on him, we would have. Lazar can't be touched. What are you gonna do?
Don't worry about it.
Can I have my gun back?
You're just gonna let him go? We should fucking kill him.
He's not entirely useless. He'll bring us closer to Lazar. Then we'll kill him. And if he takes out a few Russians along the way, even better.
The way I see it, all of us are in this sinking ship together. And we're all going to reach shore much faster if we help each other paddle. I made a promise to keep the kids safe. These idiots are going to get him killed if I don't step in. Be it a pebble or a stone, in water, they sink the same. Oh, fucking kid. Jaden. My reflection is a whisper of who I was. A distant memory, an echo in the wind. And yet, I can't escape my nature. Anytime you shake a tree, you never know what will fall loose. Hello, old friend. We meet again.
Fuck you, stupid son of a bitch. Oh, fuckface. Fuck you. 1 second. Coming! Shit. Coming. Oh, hey, Russ, what's going on, man? Yeah, come on in, come on in, come on in. Everything all right, man? Yeah, you good? Oh, shit. Okay. What's up, man? Do you need that out? Do you want to put that away, man, or? No? Okay, okay, that's fine.
You've been here all day?
Yes, I think so.
How you think?
No, I mean, I went to get some food. That fucking taco truck, man, they've got the good the tacos. I can get you some. They're good. Good salsa.
You didn't hear anything strange?
I mean, what do you mean strange? Like sexy kind of strange, or?
Like my whole place getting trashed, kind of strange?
Oh, shit.
Right. Oh, shit.
I mean, yeah, I heard a few things crashing around, but I figured it was just you.
Okay. Give me a drink. I need a drink.
Sure. Wine cooler? I got some Taki soju, or?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, man. Help yourself.
You know, You know, I was thinking about the other night when you were offering something on my head.
Oh, right. Yeah, the headaches, the music. Hey, can you turn that fucking down? Yeah, I got you. I have pretty much everything. Whatever I don't have, I can place an order for.
That. I need more of that.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I didn't peg you for a gravel kind of guy, but...
Gravel?
Yeah, you know, gravel. Bliss, Purple Funk, Machine Gun Smelly, Flocka?
Flocka. Flocka, can you get it?
I mean, yeah, probably. It's super cheap and pretty easy to come by these days.
What if I said I wanted a lot? Where would I get it?
Okay, look, Russ, I like you a lot. That's really not my thing. You see, when you meet up with these guys, it tends to open up a whole can of worms. You know what I mean?
I like you, Chris. But let's be honest. I don't like you enough not to tell my friend at the DEA you're selling drugs. So, do me a big favor. That's what I thought.
Yeah.
you sure this is the place?
Look, honestly, Russ, I don't know. I was told to come here, so here we are. I wasn't really gonna argue semantics with mid-level drug dealers.
Well, I thought you knew these guys.
No, I mean, look, we talk online, but I don't even really do my own pickups in person. I got a drone for that. What kind of amateur you think I am?
손 녹은 새끼.
Hey, buddy, get in the car. Now!
얘 죽었어. 그래?
Watch out!
That was fucking awesome.
Just drive.
Oh, shit, I lost my plug.
Drive. Let's go.
Damn, this place got fucked up.
Yeah, now it's going to be unfucked. Right?
You did this?
I think it's funny, Chris.
No.
Out, please.
Yes, sir. Sorry. My bad. I'll go.
You want to act like a little kid? Throw a tantrum? Sit! Come on, sit! Explain.
I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't know it was your place. They didn't tell me whose place it was, and, you know, I've never been here, so.
It doesn't matter. If it's my place or not, you're damn lucky it was. Jaden, do you know where you would be if I wasn't here to protect you?
Jail?
Dead. You would be dead like your father and your mother. Jesus.
It was a mistake. Hey, it won't happen again. I promise.
Who sent you? I know already. So you want to be like them? Drugs, money, it's cool, right? Okay.
No.
Your mom and I went through hell to get out of there, safely. Out of the family business. What your mother did was the right thing to do. She knew the risk, and she did it for you, bro.
So tell me then. What did she do? Because, quite frankly, no one wants to talk to me about it. So all I can believe is that she killed herself because there was nothing worth staying here for. I wasn't enough. And then you show up, and then my whole life goes to shit.
You want to know what happened? You want to know why I'm here? I met your mother at the worst possible time for her, which was the best possible time for me to do my job. And I love your mother.
We got close, and she told me how your father was killed. How she thought it was an inside job. Your extended family business, it's complicated. And it wasn't family. She didn't come to me for help, not at first. She came to me when their eyes turned to you. With your father gone, someone else would need to take over the business. But no one agreed on who. Your mother wanted out, but not just her. She wanted to save you too. So she came to me, ratted them out, everyone.
You're the best, Russ.
She did the worst possible thing she could do to save you. But it got complicated.
So it's your fault. It's your fault she's dead.
Listen. Not the one who killed her. I was trying to save her.
No, no one killed her. She killed herself. She abandoned me and she turned on her family. She was no hero. She was selfish.
She didn't kill herself. She called me before it happened. She saved you. What you saw today was just a taste. You barely have a family. I'm here for you, kid.
You're not my family.
Hey, Jaden. Jaden!
This is for Anton. Run, kid. Get far away from here. You don't want to see this. They got the drop on me. How they find me. Everything gets fuzzy for a moment.
Russ? Russ? Okay. God, you're alive. Okay. Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay. Come on. Oh, shit. Look, come here.
Holy shit!
Hey, man.
What happened?
I don't know. I just got here. Let's get him up.
Okay, what?
Let me call an ambulance.
No, you wouldn't want the cops involved.
They do their best to patch me up. But all of it is wasting time. Jaden. I need to get to Jaden. I'm sorry, Esther.
Hey.
Hey. Oh my God. Hi.
I thought we said no sleepovers. Thank you for staying with me.
Russ, what happened? I know it's hard for you to open up, but you can talk to me. I care about you.
I know.
Your phone, it was ringing and ringing. I answered. I hope you don't mind.
Yes?
Mr. Kim, he said Jaden didn't come home last night.
Oh, jeez.
Not so fast, Mr. Hatch. 2 broken ribs, mild concussion, multiple contusions. And now your friend here says that you were mugged? So were you mugged, Mr. Hatch?
Yes, it's about right.
Yeah. Well, with injuries like yours, we have to file a report. So if you'll just take a minute to talk to an Officer Yates.
I don't have time for this. I'm telling you, Jaden left a few seconds before me. And the Russian from the shop must have followed me to get even.
Why would they take Jaden? What does he have to do with all of this?
Wait. So there were 2 Russian brigade boys at the shop? We only found the one.
What do you mean, one?
Body. We only found one body.
Oh, fuck.
What are you not telling me, Hatch?
Yates, you're gonna tell me everything about the Russians, because last time you told me that the agency will handle everything. That's one has to die.
That was not my fault. Hatch!
Wait, who's Esther?
Jada's mother.
Hatch, wait! The thing about life is we can't escape our fate, no matter what path we may walk. I have spent my life trying to walk in the path of light, only to be swallowed by the darkness. I have seen the darkness of man. I must now become it. It's time, Hatch. It's time to keep that promise you made to Esther. It's time to show you're not just an alcoholic. One last march, old man. You plotted their route.
You're fucking short. Ah, look at your face. Ah, good job with that Kishka. You make Lazar happy. Now, go make me more money.
How I ask? Natasha, coffee with me.
Да. Watch it.
Это Шина.
Stop the car! Stop the car! Fuck out of you, huh? Who the fuck are you? Who are you? What the fuck do you want?
Russell Hatch.
You are a dead man, Russell Hatch.
Where's the kid?
What kid?
The kid you took from my place. Remember now?
My men will be here in minutes, and they will skin you alive.
Let's make it quick then.
I remember you. You're Mr. Kim's man, huh? You took out Anton. Koreans tried to make a deal, cut us out.
Quick stalling.
You think Lazar gives a shit about that old man? We wanted Mr. Kim dead, he'd be bleeding in the ground. No, Kim, he's good for business. Knows his place. Not like Dai Han, that slit cunt.
One last chance. Where's the kid?
I don't know this kid. I sent men to fuck with you. No take kid. What is your grudge, Russell Hatch?
5 dead in Miami. 3 of them were my friends. Now you're gonna die anyway.
Revenge. This I respect.
Alexi down. Now for Lazar. Have to blend in to get the big man. Catch him on the move. Jaden, I'm coming to save you.
I won.
Nice wine. Something to celebrate.
Спасибо, Наташенька.
Boss, car is here.
Go collect my money. Светочка, хорошо выглядишь.
Что насчет убийцы Алексея? Кто-нибудь еще?
Нет.
Ехали на рынок. Может быть, корейцы что-то знают. Хотя я сомневаюсь, что у них есть яйца, чтобы это сделать. Марков, ты смотрел последнюю игру? А тут последний удар.
Who the fuck?
Don't move. Keep on driving.
So it must have been you that killed Alexei. Smart to wait until we're on the move. Who are you working with?
I work for myself.
A true vigilante. And I assume you're here to kill me. You can. You can be a hero for a short time. But you will never sleep soundly in this city again.
You're right. When it starts, it will never end.
But here you are.
You made it personal.
This is unfortunate. I don't even know your name.
Tell me where the kid is, and I will let you leave. If you told me where Jordan was, you could have lived tonight.
You're asking that old man. Why do you think we took him? What good could it do? They're using you, you know that? They're selling drugs. You've been working for the leader of the Korean War. And you're too fucking stupid. We still don't know who's in charge of the Korean mob.
I will drop this to Pastor Jim.
I greatly appreciate all your help with the donation deliveries lately. You're a real friend, Mr. Hatch. Not many like you left these days.
When a child is born, life decides how many days he will live and how many times he will sleep. It won't be long now. This could be the last sleep. Esther, I'll see you soon now.
Hey. You're okay. You were banged up pretty good this time. I was able to patch you up, though. I stitched up your shoulder, popped your nose back into place, and I got you on some ketamine. I guess being a vet does have some perks. Oh, yeah, don't touch that. It's still healing. Russell, I need you to be honest with me. I need you to tell me what is going on here.
It's better I don't.
Better for who?
Any woman who gets close to me.
I work with wounded animals for a living. I learn a lot by looking in their eyes. Behind your eyes, Russ, inside that hardened heart is a scared, sad teddy bear, afraid to let me in.
Yeah. I know.
some point, you're gonna need to make a choice. Face your fear. Open your heart. Let that scared, sad teddy bear out. Let me cuddle him. Before it's too late.
I'm trying, Claire. I'm really trying.
Well, damn, Sleepyhead's finally awake. You look fucked up, my brother. I'd take it easy unless you want to head back to the ER, but I'm glad you're up. I haven't slept much this week.
Oh, no. How long was I out?
A few days.
Oh, no, shit.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you think you're doing?
I need to get out to the market. I'm surprised that Mr. Kim didn't show up by himself to kill me.
You can barely walk.
I'm okay. The longer it takes to find Jaden, the most likely we'll be dead. And then... I will have no reason to live.
I mean, don't you think it'll raise some red flags, maybe, you showing up looking like this?
Anything happened when I was out?
Well, they did find some dead Russians. Apparently, someone took out a kingpin, blew his fucking brains out all over some guy's front lawn, right? Funny thing is, it happened the same night that you came in looking all banged up.
Imagine that.
Yeah, imagine that.
Shit, that's spicy. 야, 짜지가 일로 와. 일로 와봐. Wait a few years. Yeah? Yeah. Have some of this instead.
새거 드세요.
됐어. 야, 여자도 어디 있어? 빨리 가서 불러와. Russell Hatch! Hey! Come in! Come in!
도와주세요.
If you wanted a girl, you could have just asked. Seriously, Russell, I should be thanking you. I wanted my old man to make a move, but he didn't have the balls. But you, shit, you just went for it. Anything to protect Sumin's kid, huh?
Promise me.
Bravo. Because of you, we don't have any competition. Things are back to how they should be.
Jaden, get out. You don't want to see any more family die.
Oh. Hey. He's not going anywhere. He wants to be here. Isn't that right?
Jaden, I made a promise to your mother to protect you for the rest of my life.
씹새끼. 야, 이 씹새끼 듣냐? 너 일로 와봐. 잘 들어봐. 네 애비 10이라. 진짜 네 애비 10했어. 그러나 너 이거 알아? 이 개새끼는 10이 아니야. He's just an old, washed up, drunk, pathetic bastard. Tell you what. Yeah. I'll prove he doesn't need you. That you're nothing to him.
Jaden. Don't do this.
Go on. Show him what real family loyalty looks like. Go on.
That's rich. Coming from a person who killed Jaden's father.
Fuck you. What the fuck do you know? Don't listen to his bullshit. Go on. Shoot him!
Jaden. I want what's best for you.
Don't listen to his bullshit! Go on, shoot him! Shoot him!
Jaden.
Shoot him!
Buddy, don't.
No shit.
No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I should have listened. It's all my fault.
I don't.
I just want to go home. I just want to go home with you. I know.
Go, Claire.
No, I'm not gonna leave you alone.
Go, Claire.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm Jaden.
Esther, I did it. He's safe. A promise made is a promise kept. I can sleep. Claire, keep him safe.
I hope you love your new home, Gus.
Some people don't deserve second chances. I know I never did. But for some reason, life gave me one anyway. It's a lot to live up to. One step at a time, Hatch. It's a new day.
Thank you. So, where are you two heading?
As soon as I know, I will let you know.
Call me when you get settled. I always wanted an excuse to get out of this city. You know, if you're not in jail for all the shit you did.
Russell Hatch died, and Mark Hale has a new slate.
Don't forget about me, Mr. Hale. Call me.
Definitely.
I never thought I'd meet again here. Let's hope that's still true.
Russell, I'm surprised to see you on your feet. I spoke with your girlfriend. Heard you wound up in the hospital.
It's funny, the Russian boy didn't make it. Strange for someone so young and healthy to die from such a small wound.
Russell, we've been friends for what? Going on 2 years now? It might be better to end the things here, go separate ways.
What about Jaden?
Of course I will take care of my family.
Like you took care of Sumin?
Like you took care of my son, Taehyun. What my daughter did, she did to herself. She deserves to die.
So you knew where Jaden was this whole time?
Kids, you know how they are. They get mad, they run off. Do something stupid. That's why they need right guidance to make right decisions. After my son Taehyun's failures, Jaden has a new guidance, me. He won't be needing you anymore. But he does care about you. So I think it would be better for everyone if we just end the things here peacefully.
Okay, you're right. Have a good day, Mr. Kim.
You too, Mr. Hatch.
And, by the way, those boxes for the church, what was inside?
I think you already know, Russell.
Flaka.
Yeah. Have a good day.
We are being watched. They know who I am.
I made a deal with Yates. Time to get out of here. Start something new. Last loose end, tied up neatly with a little bow. The old man will be in prison soon. The track and the package is on his way. The feds just need to follow it.
I can't believe he's been under your nose the whole time. And none of us saw it.
Well,
old man running the whole operation.
Hey, thanks for buying me time.
Thanks for this. Just one question. Why didn't you do it?
Why didn't you kill him too? What would Jason think of me if I did? So where you gonna go? It's better if you don't know. Huh. Hey, goodbye, old friend.
Hey, 20 on the pump and some cigarettes.
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
Yeah. There you go.
Cool car.
Thanks. Jaden.
Bethany.
Yeah, y'all going on a road trip or something?
Something like that, yeah.
Oh, man, sounds nice, man. Sounds real nice. Let me get you your change.
Hey, if I'm back in town, let me get your number.
Okay.
You know what? Keep the change.
I can keep this?
Sure. Cool guy, man.
I really appreciate that.
See you.
See you, man.
Well, next time you're in town, we can take a ride.
Of course.
Bye.
Jaden.
Yeah.
You drive.
Hey, do you think they're gonna come looking for us?
Don't worry about that. It's my problem. Let's go.
I'll never be done walking in the darkness, but at least I know there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And I'm not alone.
Digital printers original. She played a pivotal part of a pinnacle part of a general. Instead of a villain, really making them killing. You already know that you ain't trouble when you get that money, you can see you love. If anybody come up and get out of the struggle, just see that they grab it and grow your hustle. The streets are marked for death. I ain't even in the market yet. I'm aiming wherever my target is at. When I came in, I gave you a heart attack. If this is the ritual, the picture, the visual, get you the digital, print the original. We should play the pivotal part of my pinnacle, heart of a general.
One rocky road for the kid. You sure I can't get you anything?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, hey guys. Sorry I'm late. I was giving a cat fluids a few blocks away.
Ça va?
Ça va.
Hey, Jaden. Oh, so nice to see you. Russ, you getting anything?
No, didn't feel like.
Only Hatch would invite us all for ice cream and not get one himself.
So him.
You called me grumpy?
What?
No.
Oh, no.
Never.
We would never do that. Not at all.
Hey, I was eating that.
Well, I love Rocky Road.
Dude, you said you didn't want any.
I lie.
It's pretty good, right? You don't actually want this, do you? We'll just share it.